year, and it has changed the performance of even the best sales representatives. According to the Forbes, 98% of the sales executives report that their team's productivity and efficiency has been dropped 20% since the pandemic started. Hello everyone, I'm Pratibha Dubey, welcoming you all to another informational video of our channel. And in this video, we would be talking about the virtual selling environment. And we'll be sharing with you all the challenges that are lying in the journey of virtual selling. And to conquer those challenges, we will be giving you 5 digital sales tips so that you can rule in the virtual selling environment. So without wasting any single second, let's start with the video. Due to the ongoing global crisis, most companies have used virtual selling as the only way to improve sales conversions for their businesses. Shifting your business team to a virtual selling environment can help you shorten your sales cycle, increase your ROI, and build a reliable revenue engine for moving your business forward. But how can you help your virtual sales teams adapt faster to the challenging times? In this video, we will discuss some helpful tips that could help your sales team transition from face-to-face into the virtual selling for better coverage, control, and drive more revenue. But before moving on to the digital sales tip, let's have a quick introduction to virtual selling. What is virtual selling? Virtual selling could be easily defined as selling something virtually. It can help sales reps generate 95% of their sales using web-based, streamlined selling system and get the deal closed faster and conveniently. It's a crucial tool for sales team that has revolutionized the sales world by shortening sales cycles and helping reps get tasks done more quickly and be more productive. Challenges for virtual selling: technological issues. Companies using traditional forms of selling have severe problems with virtual selling. They are not aware of the latest technology being used and embracing its take time, which hampers the sales number. Lack of presentation skills. The pandemic has undoubtedly changed the way of meeting with a client. Online meetings are becoming the new normal for today's digital world. The companies were not much prepared for this transition. Their presentation skills are too poor to sell, which leads to a drop in sales revenue and ROI. Poor written communication. Since companies are not ready for the virtual sales, they usually don't do well with the written part, and that's where they lag. The emails they shoot to the clients and the template they have used cause a negative impact rather than positive ones. 5 digital sales tips for 2021. Here are the 5 digital sales tips that can help your sales game to the next level and achieve the desired result to survive in the virtual selling environment. Tip 1. Master the tool. Unlike face-to-face in a virtual selling environment, you need to master the tools you are using to positively impact the client and impact the sales number. However, it is challenging to master all the tools with every passing second because new technologies are introduced every second and almost every time, better than those used before. Tip 2. Use social media effectively. When a prospect visits your website, one of the first things they see on your website or on your company page is what your social media channel looks like. Many companies only focus on their services and products they offer and don't care much about the social media handles, which can cause a significant impact. Social media handles with low quality content are even worse than no social media handles. Tip 3. Manage the right buyer engagement. If you choose to go virtual, one of the most important things to manage is to get the proper engagement from buyers because that engagement will get you the sales figure you want later. Buyer engagement means the interaction between the buyers and the sales representatives. The engagement could be of any type, like opening an email, reading content, or watching the representative's video. Tip 4. Prepare like you are in person. Prepare like you are in person is an essential tip if you want to survive in the virtual selling environment. Due to the global ongoing crisis, it is impossible to hold individual meetings with potential customers. Still, if your approach is like you are in person, it will positively impact the sales number. Tip 5. Expect the unexpected. One of the last and equally essential tips while doing virtual selling is to expect the unexpected. In virtual selling environment, things can go the other hand around as planned. And if you do not have the backup plan, there is almost every chance that the meeting will get ruined. Unlike in person, virtual selling can get ruined through many external factors, and the most important of them all is a technical issue. Today, the sales team faces unprecedented challenges in selling and building relationships during the current pandemic situation. You can engage with customers in more meaningful ways with the right technology tools in this virtual environment. These tools also allow vendors to create visually compelling presentations so customers can actively listen and are expected to participate in them. That's it from this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. Thank you.